Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to find the sum of the first n natural numbers. We're talking about positive whole numbers starting from 1, like 1, 2, 3, and so on. Our goal is to efficiently calculate the total when you add up a consecutive series of these numbers, up to a specific n. Instead of adding them one by one, there's a very clever and quick method we can use. The core of our method is a straightforward formula. S equals n multiplied by n plus 1, and then that entire product is divided by 2. In this formula, n stands for the count of natural numbers you want to sum. For instance, if you want the sum of the first 50 numbers, n would be 50. This powerful formula simplifies what could be a very long addition process. Let's put this formula into action with an example. Suppose we want to find the sum of the first 10 natural numbers. Here, n is 10. We substitute 10 into our formula, 10 multiplied by 10 plus 1, then divided by 2. This becomes 10 times 11, which is 110. Finally, 110 divided by 2 gives us 55. It's that simple to get the sum. So, why use this formula? Imagine trying to add the first 100 or even 1,000 natural numbers manually. It would take a very long time and be prone to errors. This formula provides an instant, accurate answer, no matter how large n is. It's a powerful mathematical shortcut that makes calculating these sums quick and reliable, saving you considerable effort and ensuring precision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.